The Supreme Court has ruled on the Trump ballot case, and they've ruled in Trump's favor. Mollie Hemingway with us now. I know this is right, you're just coming right at us, Mollie, but I want you to give us some significance of this, where it's going. Is Trump winning on this? Is Biden losing on this? Go.
Yeah, this was an issue where as soon as oral arguments were held, people expected the Supreme Court to say that Colorado's attempt to remove President Trump from the ballot would not be allowed. And I'm very curious to find out what the actual ruling is. Some people thought it would be 7-2 or maybe even unanimous. The questioning from the justices during oral argument was very critical of Democrats' attempts.
Mollie, can I interrupt for just 1 second? I'm very sorry. It was a unanimous 9-0 decision.
Well, that really says a lot about this attempt to remove from the ballot the Republican nominee and keep from millions, tens of millions of Americans, the right to vote for whomever they want. There has been a lot of lawfare happening in this country against the Republican nominee, and it's not working very well. You just said it in your opening take with these polls showing that people are not supporting President Biden. And this is as lawfare is being engaged in across the country in Democrat areas such as Colorado, where they tried to say that Coloradoans would not have the right to vote for whom they want to if that person is Donald Trump. So it just really is a real big setback for Democrats in this effort that they have, and should be a reminder that using the courts for political gain is not a great approach.
Back to my editorial, as you noted there, I looked at the New York Times polling and the Fox polling, and it's very grim for the president. And I agreed with the Wall Street Journal that it's panic time at the White House. How serious is this? I mean, are they on the verge of saying, hey, no mas?
Well, the problem for Democrats, it is true that people do find President Biden to be very old, but the big problem is they wouldn't care about it if they liked how the country was being run. Nobody really thinks President Biden is running things anyway. So if they liked the policies, they would be willing to have him continue as a figurehead. The problem for Democrats is that it's a difficult difficult problem to overcome, because even if they replace him with someone else, it's not like Gavin Newsom is going to have better policies when it comes to the border or crime or the economy. If anything, they might even be worse. And so it is those policies where people say they do not feel their lives are better than they were under the previous administration. And that's kind of politics 101. You know, was your life better now than it was 4 years ago? And people are saying they have a chance to compare the previous presidency with the current one, and they're finding the previous one to be much more attractive.
What's Kamala Harris doing, calling for an immediate ceasefire in Gaza?
Well, they do have a problem in the Democrat Party also, in that while a majority of their voters do support Israel, they have a powerful contingent that does support Hamas's efforts against Israel, and it is causing problems. You saw it in Michigan, where you had people not voting for President Biden in the primary, and also among young voters, and they need those young voters to be able to have even a chance of defeating the Republicans.
Mollie, excellent coverage. Thank you very much for being on the spot when we got the decision of the Supreme. Real good stuff.